Are you one unexpected bill away from financial stress every month? If so, make sure you watch this video till the end, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,400 a day just using your phone, Wi-Fi, social media, in about 2 hours a day around your schedule. You don't need tech skills, you don't need a following, you don't need any experience whatsoever to do this, and you don't have to bother friends and family, you don't have to cold message strangers, and you don't have to get on the phone with anybody. So this is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Everything is based on your effort. Now, I've personally made thousands of dollars with this, and this is just an online business. Okay, it's a done for you business in a box, and I've made thousands of dollars with this business. And my goal, personal goal, is to make, millions of dollars, even more. Like I want to make as much money as possible because the more money you have, the more good you can do for yourself and for other people. So I started this business because my company cut my pay and I didn't want to get another job. I don't like jobs. I'm just one of those people that don't really like jobs. Like 80% of people don't like jobs, and I'm one of those people. I just don't like being overworked and underpaid, and I don't like being bossed around. So my company cut my pay, and that's when I decided I didn't want to get another job, right? I wanted to figure out how to make money online once and for all. I've tried making money online before. I tried so many side hustles, but nothing worked for me until this. And what is this? It's just digital marketing, online marketing with an online business, and we sell 5 digital products inside of the e-learning industry. Okay, digital programs to be specific, 5 digital programs that they're basically training programs that teach you digital marketing and online business, how to build multiple streams of income. And these programs actually teach you how to make 6 and 7 figures online because the person that created these programs said that. So I've been doing this for over 2 years. Since we launched this business, since we launched these programs, I've been in from day one, and I know the creator of these programs as well. I'm actually going to her house in a few days, 5 days. Okay, she's made over $10 million in 3 years with digital marketing in the online space. So a lot of money is to be made here in the online space, but you actually got to take action, right? Because you're going to become aware at some point in your life that you have a lack of money. You don't have enough money to make the things you want to do the things that you want to do, right? You're going to become aware of this. Okay. And then you're going to consider your options. What are you going to do to make more money? Like some people, they'll get more jobs. Some people go back to college to learn new skills to get better jobs. And then some people will start side hustles, right? So you got to make that decision, but you actually got to start the thing too. You got to start the job. You got to start the business. You got to start the side hustle if you actually want to make money, right? So you got to get started. So this is how an online business works, and any business on the planet too, by the way. The first is you need an offer, right? The offer is the thing that you're selling. That could be a physical product, a digital product. It could be your own product or somebody else's product. It can also be a service and opportunity. It doesn't matter if it's your product or somebody else's product, as long as it's something that's in high demand, something that people are actually buying. Okay. So people are buying our programs. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months. Okay. $29 million in sales in 10 months. And the e-learning industry is like $1 billion a day industry. And we're part of the e-learning industry. Okay. So you need your offer. That's the thing you're selling, right? And we earn 100% profit here. Like when you sell digital products, the cool thing is you don't need inventory. You don't have to worry about shipping. And with our program, you earn 100% profit. So you're not splitting your profits. Step two, you need a system. This is what automates your business. Okay. So you're going to have a link, right? Now, like just like my link is wealthwithdan.com, and go to wealthwithdan.com if you want to learn more. There's also a link in the bio. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments, and also let me know where you're watching from if you're watching the replay or you're just watching this video. So people, when you have a link, people go here. It's called a capture page. I'm going to show you what this looks like. I'm going to share my screen. It's a capture page. They put their email in and then they go through the sequence. Okay. They watch videos. As soon as they put their email in, they trigger an automated email sequence. So the emails are following up with your potential customer and it's sending them to your website where they can purchase one of the products. Okay. And then step number three, you need a strategy. This is marketing. This is advertising. This is what every business on the planet does. And every business on the planet has some kind of offer that they're selling. You understand? So the strategy is marketing, it's advertising, it's promoting your business. Okay. So there's different ways to do that. There's 4 ways to do that. You can do paid ads, you can do warm outreach, you can do cold outreach, and you can do free content. So we teach you the free strategies. So basically all you got to do is post content on social media, go live on social media. You can also copy and paste free ads. You can post free ads on high traffic websites. So let's say you do 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. That's an hour and a half. And then after that, you just follow up with messages and you can go through a little bit of training to help you get better at this stuff. And now you can do whatever you want. Like content's like mandatory for building your brand and your social media presence. But besides the content, you can go live as much as you want. You can post as many ads as you want. You can post as much content as you want. Or if you don't feel comfortable going live, you don't even have to go live. You can just focus on content and or ads. That's it. So that's what we do. We post content, we go live, we post free ads, and that drives traffic, that drives people to our website. But first they go to our capture page, right? And they go through our sales funnel. So that's how an online business works. That's how every business on the planet works. Because either you have a digital store or a physical store, and you have an offer and you're just driving traffic to your store. Okay. So if you have any questions, let me know. Now let me share let me share my screen and just show you how everything looks and how everything works. Okay. Because seeing is believing, as they say. All right. I'll also show you inside of our community. I'll show you proof, like I'll show you proof that people are making money inside of our community. Okay. So this is what the sales funnel looks like. When you start this business, we give you this free automated system. It looks like this. So this is called the capture page, right? People are going to put their email in, and then they go through and they watch the video. They're going to watch these two videos. One, they go to this video first, and then there's also this video that we send on people's emails. So these two videos are going to answer like 99% of people's questions for you. And if they have any more questions, they'll ask you, or they'll just buy from you after watching these videos. So these videos are basically doing the selling for you. Okay. And then it'll take people to your website, which looks like this. So what is this? It's a beginner-friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom. That's what our program is. So you're gonna get this website. It looks like this. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what the website looks like. Basically looks like this. We have over 60,000 people in our community now. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. So basically you just got to start your business and promote your business, right? That's it. And the first 7 days, like we have a training about that. But for example, like just day one, just be like, hey, day one, I'm super excited. I just launched my business with digital marketing, and just tell people how you're feeling. Like, I'm super excited. I'm also a little nervous, however you're feeling, right? And tell them why you started your business. Like, I started my business because my company cut my pay and I didn't want to get another job. I just wanted more time and more money to do the things that I want to do, like travel the world and, spend time with my family, right? So yeah, Legacy Builders program, that's what this is. And here's like, we have these testimonials on the page. And why do I love our program? Why do people love our program? Because it's beginner friendly. We have a 2-hour workday, so you don't have to grind all day, just 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there around your schedule. Whether you have a job or don't have a job, it doesn't matter. And it's available in English and Spanish, so it's a global business. There's simple tools and simple steps and tools to follow. You don't need tech skills, you don't need a following, you don't need experience. You get to keep every dollar you make up to $1,400 per sale, which means you only need 72 customers to make 100K, which is about 6 customers a month. And you learn how to attract customers. So once you learn these skills, like you're going to learn content creation, digital marketing, AI. Once you learn this stuff, these are skills you can use for the rest of your life, not only for this business, but whatever business you promote in the future. And you're not doing this alone. You have a community of over 60,000 people now inside of our community. You get live interactive millionaire mentoring every Monday from a millionaire who's made over $10 million in 3 years in the online space. So you want to get in before Monday, right? And this is your little bio section. You just got to put your bio here. That's me. That's my picture. Okay. Why is this perfect for you? Why is this perfect for you? You get instant access. Okay. Instantly access your pre-built digital business and blueprint that's been tested for success. Okay. So just plug in, connect, and start. And this is perfect for you because you want to make extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9-to-5 job doesn't provide financial security and you need a better way. You want to work from anywhere using just your phone or laptop. Retirement is around the corner and you need a reliable income stream. You're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities in the past, but struggled to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of online business. Okay, so are any of those you? Just think about it. And we teach you how to use AI. Okay, and here's what also sets us apart is the fact that you earn 100% profit. You're not splitting your profits with anybody else. And there's a certification training you can go through. It takes like 1 to 2 hours, and then you become a certified reseller of these programs, and you understand how digital marketing works. And our business is in English and Spanish, so you have a global business. Okay, just more testimonials here. And this is going to show you what you're going to learn. Okay, so this is what you're learning inside of the programs. It shows you here phase 1, foundation, phase 2, attraction, phase 3, engagement, phase 4, conversion, phase 5, leveraging, and phase 6, monetize. Scale your business, how to add additional income streams without starting over. So this is what the programs will teach you. And this video explains what's inside of the programs, and this is what we sell, these 5 digital programs. So if you want to start this business, you purchase one of the programs. Okay. Then you have the resale rights to the programs. You can only earn at the level that you're at and below, right? So if you purchase the 1400, which I recommend, then you can earn at that level and below, which means you can start having $1,400 commissions, and you only need, 2 sales a month to make 2,800. You only need 4 sales a month to make an extra 5,600 a month, which is over 70K a year. Then you just need 6 sales a month to make over 100K a year. So there's the programs. So if you start at the 1400 level, which I recommend, you have access to everything, all the information and all the income streams. But if you start at the $100 level, you can only, you only access one income stream, and you only access the information that's inside of that program. Okay. So it's better to start at the highest level. So you purchase your program, you pay your website fee, and there's no monthly fees. No monthly fees. And you only need one sale, and then your business is free. Not only is my business free, but I make profit with this business. And then you get all these bonuses, thousands of dollars worth of bonuses, access to our free community, bonus training here, which is worth 497 bucks. And then you get access to these other trainings as well. So like we teach you how to do faceless, we teach you how to create your own products, teach you how to monetize communities. You get those trainings. And that's pretty much the website. Okay. There's the founder, Michelle, and the frequently asked questions. Okay. So that's it. So next step is like you got to set up your website, right? So once you purchase the program, you're going to see this. This is the back office kind of area. So here's your programs, your trainings, your bonuses. And one of the things you got to do is go in and set up your website, right? So you got to get these pages set up, which you can set up in 1 to 2 days. Okay. It took me a few hours to set them up. So it's going to show you exactly like what accounts you need, like GoDaddy, you need your payment processors like PayPal. It's going to show you what accounts to open up. Okay. So when you go to GoDaddy, you need a domain. Like, my domain is wealthwithdan.com. You want a simple domain that people can remember. That's going to be your brand. Okay. And you need like a business email as well, which you can get there, or you can use Gmail. I use Gmail business email. Then it shows you how to attach your payment gateways like Square, Stripe, PayPal, whatever you want to use. And then you just watch these videos. Most of it says you watch these videos and you basically just copy and paste your information. It's very simple. And the videos show you how to do everything step by step. So just make sure you watch the videos carefully. Don't skip any steps. And yeah, and then you're going to get your system set up, which you can set up in a few hours. Like I said, took me a few hours to set up this whole system. Not complicated. And here's our community, right? When you join, you get access to our community, right? So just go here and just type in, introduce yourself. If you have any questions, you can ask. And here's the win section. We got over 60,000 people in our community, right? Here's the win section. Okay. So this tells you, let's see some wins that people are having, right? Okay. Let's see some new wins. For example, she made $100 while folding laundry. Okay. Because our business is automated. So your business is working for you 24/7 in the background. They made over $3,500 in a week from South Africa. Okay. She made $100 plus other stuff from her communities. Let's see. She made $100 while she was traveling in London, busy in London. She made $100 while she was on her live. She made $300 because we have 5 digital products, right? So they sell from 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1400. So you can see 200 Marcus, $300 sales. We got men, we got women in this business, young and old. So there's some wins, there's some proof for you. And then the classroom, we just have bonus trainings, recorded trainings inside of the classroom. And the calendar shows you when we have live events. What do we got here? Well, nothing else for May. Tomorrow is June. So we got a millionaire mentoring every Monday in June. Okay. And then, okay. So the map shows you, we got people from all over the world doing this business, right? Okay. You can see there's people literally from all over the world building this business, every continent, basically. There you go. That's the map. Okay. So that's it. I pretty much showed you the community. I showed you everything, how this business works. And I've showed you how, like, what you need to do to set up your website. And I also showed you inside of the community. And now I'm just going to show you like what I do, for example, like how I post content to attract customers using social media, right? So like, here's my YouTube channel, for example. I create long form videos like this one you're watching right now. And I do a variety of stuff. Sometimes it's my business I'm promoting. Sometimes it's tips, marketing tips. Sometimes it's mindset stuff. So that's pretty much what I do. And I do short form videos where I do like talking videos and like 7-second videos with words on the screen. Then I also go live on TikTok and YouTube. I'm on different platforms. I'm just showing you like what I do on YouTube, for example, just to give you some ideas of me posting content. Okay, my lives are recorded. I have some playlists I have, and then these posts also, I do these posts, these images and these captions. I just used AI like to create this stuff. Like we teach you how to use AI. Okay, so there you go. I just create content like this. And in general, when you're doing a business, they say like, like it's good to mix some value with your business. So value is just like education, information, motivation, tips, things like that. That's value, right? So, and then sometimes you're doing a business post, which is you're actively promoting your business. Sometimes you're doing a value post. So you can mix it up a little bit, not just business, business, business all the time necessarily. So a little mixture of value, which just so people come back for more. They want to know, okay, what's next? What is this person going to post next? I want to find out, right? And they're going to follow you and they're going to appreciate the value that you're offering them. Just by promoting this business, you're offering value. And if you want more money, this is how the secret to making more money is, you know, offering more value to the marketplace. So this business itself is value, right? So if you want to get started, go here, wealthwithdan.com, check it out. Link in the bio, enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. Okay. You're going to have free access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint in my first email, which shows you how to make your first 10K with digital marketing. Watch those videos. And if you have questions, you just got to reply to my emails. That's it. Okay. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anybody that needs it. If you know somebody who's stressed out financially, share this video with them, because we're all about changing lives here, right? We want to help as many people as possible become financially free, financial freedom, time freedom, so they can live their best life, right? So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. God bless.